All right, Ollie, you gotta tell me, what do we need?
All the sides, you gotta put a lot of blues. You gotta put all the blues on all of the sticks.
All of the sticks? All right, Anna, grab some blues. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
Is that what's left, Anna? You get 3, I get 3. Yep, there's 6. Okay, like this?
Yes, that's how it's supposed to go. They're supposed to point up.
Okay. You got it? Good job. This thing's gonna be tall. Mama's almost gonna be able to stand in it.
Yeah, I made too. What's that? Make sure.
So look out, Meg. Down here, baby. There you go. You got it.
But you won't be able to stand in it.
No, I'm gonna be just a little bit too tall, but still, it's pretty big. You both will be able to stand in it. Okay.
Okay.
What's
now
next?
Now we gotta finish the top. Now put the green stick and attach that green stick.
Are you sure we don't need hole thingies? So how do we attach the green sticks if there's no hole thingies?
Oh, so like that green stick needs to attach with 2 yellows
Okay,
on
so
both sides.
we need these first, Anna. 2 yellows.
And then we
Stop. Get out of the chair. That's how you're gonna fall down. Just stand right here. Tell me what we're supposed to be doing.
Okay. Now put that yellow piece.
Are we sure we're already here? Just get off of there right now. Stand up. No, you're right. Okay, here, baby. I'll help you. I'll help you. I'll help you. It's really tall. Okay, yeah, blue sticks. So we start down here. 2 reds. Start with the yellow. Goes this way. Okay, here. You tell me. I'm starting down here. Do you see where I'm starting?
Yes.
2 reds up top. Then we're gonna go this way. Okay.
Yeah. And then the other one. That's easy.
Yellow one this way. Got it. What's the next one? Wait, Anna. We need to wait until he tells us what to do.
So put the green piece.
No, I want what color are these? I need all these before I put the green pieces up.
Now put a blue piece right here and attach.
All right, Anna, can you hand me a blue circle, please?
It's
Blue circle. Give me a second. You say blue circle, then you wait until I finish that, and then you give me the next direction, okay? Thank you, babe. What's the next direction for this one?
Now attach it. Now attach the green tube to that tube to the other tube.
No, baby. I need to know what circle thingies go in all these tubes, all these before we
Attach
put the
the
tubes
yellow
on.
tube to that one.
I need a yellow. Anna, hand me a yellow, please. Ollie, don't step on them.
Hand the step.
It's all right.
Why I need to hurry up to get inside.
Okay.
Now.
What goes in this one?
That's
Except for both the dog and the cat one will
that,
in this.
that has the yellow.
That has another yellow?
Yeah, then look, they're gonna
Okay, Anna, get him behind Ollie.
They're gonna chill out in the food truck.
They're gonna chill out in the food truck?
Yes.
All right, so this goes this way. Does this aim this way? Do these aim this way or do they aim that way? Which way do they go?
You're right. They're turned. This one points to that one.
Okay.
Points to blue, and that one
Points to this one?
Yes.
Okay.
And now put the blue piece there.
Okay, so hand me a blue piece.
Good.
Thank you, love.
Let's go to the treehouse.
Okay.
Treehouse.
It is like a tree house. All right, now where do the poles go?
And now put the tube and attach it to the yellow one, to the other yellow.
Okay, one yellow to the other yellow. Am I going through?
Yes, going through.
So this should be this way?
Let me see. Yes?
And you're not talking.
It's not your
Is
A.
this right?
Yeah, it's right.
Okay. And,
No, it's wrong. You're supposed to point to it. Oh, yes, it's right. I just can't really see because it's small on this thing.
I know, it is.
That's a funny.
All right, that goes in there.
Timmy.
Goes in there. All right.
Now.
Anna, stop.
Now.
Get up, please.
Now put the other green tube and
Anna, can you bring the green
and
tube,
put
please?
it to that one.
Okay, go potty then.
And Mama.
Go, go, go.
I'll get you another green tube.
Thank you, baby. Give me another green tube.
And put the green tube, attach the yellow one to that piece.
Okay, thank you. Good job. All right, what's next?
Now we need a purple tube.
Okay, one purple tube.
And
okay.
And now
Maggie,
touch.
give me that fell on the floor that Maggie's trying to eat. That would hurt her. So can you hand it to me, please?
Do you mean the
little bag of stuff, that little white thing?
No.
Yes, hand that to me. Nobody should eat that. Okay.
Now connect the green piece.
Stop.
Connect the green tube to the yellow tube.
So across this way?
Yes.
Through it?
Yes.
Okay.
And then we can give back the balloon because the balloon has to have 3 tubes attached.
Okay.
Now we're going to go to this balloon because it has one more thing. Now I need a green.
What about this?
Now I need a green balloon to attach it to that blue.
Yeah, but what attaches the blue to the yellow?
That's purple, so I've got two tubes, 2 types of tubes.
Okay. We only have a little bit of stuff left. So okay, so this blue one goes to this blue one?
Yes, it goes to our blue one through the hole.
Okay. Through the hole. Got it. All right. And then the purple one goes?
The purple one goes attached.
Yellow to blue?
Yes.
Okay.
And one more thing.
One more thing!
The cover.
Wait. What about here?
What?
Should there be something here? And we have one more tube.
Oh,
and we have 3 more things.
Yeah, that green to attach through over there.
Over this way?
Then we will do the cover.
Does this look like a full frame?
Yes.
It does, doesn't it?
Mama, look.
Okay, bring me the cover.
Can we put the balloon inside?
No, let's wait till we get it together, then you can start putting accessories in it. Okay, come on. Are you sure we don't need any of these extra tubes that are on the floor?
Nope.
Okay, here we go. All right, how's this go? Where's the front door of this thing?
The front door.
Where's the front door? Shut the front door. Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Mom!
Where's the front door?
You're in it.
I'm in it.
Yeah, get down and get out.
Well, I gotta get it on here first.
Ah!
Wait. Hold on. Almost.
Burger Town.
Burger Town. What are you gonna name your food truck?
Hot spots, little spots.
Hot spots, little spots.
Yeah. Oh!
It's a window. I'm twisted. What's happening? Wait a minute, Ollie. That's a side.
This is the back.
This is the window.
This side has the back.
These are wheels.
And this is
Okay, hold on. I gotta get out of this thing.
This is the back.
How do I get out of this thing?
Get
How do I get out of this thing? Look out, Maggie. Maggie doesn't know how to get out of this thing. Move. No, don't sit down. Move. Mag, go. Go. Silly dog. Okay. Ooh, you alright? Okay, as long as you're okay. Alright.
This much. You found the door.
This thing is huge. Where's the door?
That's the back.
Anna, did you wipe?
This is the back. This is the back.
This is the back?
Yeah.
Anna, do not get in it yet. Both of you. Can you pick these up so you don't step on them?
Where's the door?
I don't know yet. No, that's the point, is we're looking for the door.
I could get a snack.
No, Anna, you've already had snacks. We will have lunch in a minute. Okay, this is the front because this is the driving pants. Okay, not much I know. Okay, here's the front. All right. I think we might have this. Hold on. There it goes. There it goes.
Yay!
There it goes. Nope, that's a dog. See, you can fight, guys. You can roll it up. Look, you can roll up when you're open. You roll it up.
Look, long dog, Maggie.
Look, guys. You roll it up when you're open and you tie it off.
Please, away.
All right, come here. Come here. Come here. Not watch you. You get out of there. Come on. Come here, guys. Stand in your window. Stand up here in your window. Okay. Ready? Say, welcome to our food truck.
Welcome to our food